Step 1. Tap the library menu. Step 2. Tap the building section and drag out a brick wall. Make it a little larger by touching the arrows. Step 3. Double tap the wall and then click duplicate so another wall appears. Tap the wall and select the icon that has the 2 arrows with a box in the middle of it. Drag the Z button on the 3D menu thingy bob and drag it so it is now sideways. Drag the wall so it forms the walls together to making a corner. Make another corner as you did with the corners you already did. Duplicate the walls and then tilt them so they make a corner, but attach it so it forms a square. Add another wall, but make it a lot smaller. Tap the box with the 2 arrows around it and drag the X so it turns looking like a roof, which it is the roof. Drag the roof up using the 2 arrows above it in the white square thing, and then drag it so it's high enough to touch the top of the 2 walls. Then drag it above them so it matches. You can make it a little bigger or smaller so it matches, so it can be more of a roof. Select the first wall you added, or any wall, and then double tap it. Tap the code button. Tap the switch that says using code blocks, and then tap out of the brick wall and tap the code button in the top right corner. Tap into the transform menu and then drag in the first block into your code. Then in both of the slots here and here, change both numbers to 3. Tap into the events category and drag out the first block, or the when brick wall is clicked. Drag that into the code. Make sure the move brick wall code or the transform code place is inside of the little chain. Tap the play button and see if it works. Tap all the walls on the sides and see if you have succeeded.